Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com. Here we have another Kenwood tl-922a. So I went through this one. Had some missing hardware. Someone took this assembly apart. They had the tabs up on top, missing screws. There's some other screws missing for the cover. I'll have to go to the hardware store and get some. So did all the mods I usually do. Someone did the 10-meter mod to this one. They put the strap in a different spot. I'm not messing with it because if the solder on the connection down there were to drip into the clips on the rotary switch, I'd be in big trouble. So it works. I'm leaving it alone. But so the strap in. This relay back here was missing the spring. So I took this piece out, the shield, the RF shield, and went in there with needle nose pliers and a little mini flathead screwdriver. It was a pain. Took a while to finally get it on there, but it's good to go now. Clean the contacts on that relay, clean the contacts on the other relay, clean the contacts on the rotary switches with Deoxit Gold. Awesome stuff. One of the grid chokes was open. I believe it was the other one. So you can see it flashed. The wire's open on that side. Or is it this side? Yeah, that side right there. So you tell that the tubes had both arced at some point because look, it's like a big clump now. Usually it looks like two pie forms. Two. I see how it's one clump. So that's that. Put the safety diode in. Okay, I will flip it over and show you the bottom. I'll check the air variables, they look good. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the bottom. Clean the rotary switch like I said before. Did the low inductance mod. Grid's grounded, nice. It had different soft key in here, had issues. Took that out. Right now I can't get anything from Harbach. Unfortunately, I heard his shop flooded, so told the customer just to use a Ameritron box, one of those soft key boxes that they sell. So put a new electrolytic in. Checked everything else out. Everything else looks good. So he needs a set of tubes, so he'll have to order a set of tubes, and then I'll fire it up and check it out. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Website's AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119, 203-892-4119. Take care.